It is too much important to make others comfortable around you, and this skill will make you a social ninja. So, in today's video we are going over 5 easiest and the most effective ways to make everyone comfortable around you. So, without wasting any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Pay attention. Always remember, it's not about you, it's about them. People are more distracted than ever in the information age, so simply focusing on the other person without staring at your phone every 10 seconds will show them that you care. Make eye contact while they speak, but don't stare. Don't interrupt them until they are done, but do ask relevant follow-up questions. Do everything in your power to show people how thoughtful and caring you are to put them at ease. Number 2. Be thoughtful. Did you meet a person wearing a beautiful skirt that is super cute? Did your friend get a stylish new purse that you adore? If so, tell them all about it. It's amazing how a simple compliment can make a person's day. If you are meeting a new person and are nervous, start the conversation with a specific and genuine compliment. You'll feel a lot less pressure when a big, goofy grin and flushed cheeks develop on their face. Number 3. Speak clearly. Speaking clearly is something I've struggled with for most of my life, and it is still something I have to remind myself of even today. I live in Tennessee, a state in the US where most people have southern accents and a slow rhythm to their speech. If the typical rate of speech in this area is like struggling to swim through a pit of jello, mine is more like a starving cheetah viciously pursuing its prey. If I'm not careful, I'll find myself speaking faster than the other person can even begin to comprehend. It's not difficult to see how this might make a person feel uncomfortable around you. Be aware of the speech pattern of every person you talk to and be prepared to increase your volume or decrease your rate of speech to make sure they can understand the words that are coming out of your mouth. Before jumping into number 4, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. So, number 4. Display confidence. A firm handshake, genuine smile, and tall posture will give you the confident swagger you need to be the life of any party. When you meet a new person, lock eyes for a brief moment, smile, shake hands, and say something like, "Hi, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Theodore Roosevelt." We all know it's awfully easy to forget a person's name as soon as you hear it, so stating it twice will increase the odds that you will be remembered. To show confidence in your posture, keep your head tall, gaze forward, chest high, and shoulders down and back. Try not to cover your face with your hands or cross your legs, but instead keep your body as open as possible to reflect a welcoming personality that will make people feel comfortable around you. Number 5. Tell stories. Whether it's a spooky ghost story told around a campfire, a Shakespearean tragedy performed in a dark theater, or a steamy romance printed in paperback form, everyone loves a good story. Pay attention to commercials the next time you're curled up on the couch watching your favorite TV show, and you'll find that even marketers understand the power of good storytelling. Use this power to your advantage the next time you're at a social gathering by telling a relevant and tasteful joke to the people you meet. You could even tell a personal story about an embarrassing moment in your life to show people you are lighthearted and unafraid to make fun of yourself. And that is for today's video, guys. Hope it helped you to get your target result. Before closing, subscribe my channel and comment down below which trick seems the best to you. Thanks for watching.